Welcome, and let's talk about Tectonic token price. Wow, Tectonic token has finally crossed $20 million market cap. There have been a lot of pumping in recently. You can see many people have been investing, big wars have been coming in. Tectonic token have gained over $12 million within the period of 7 days. It's amazing to see this coin really increasing from there. By this time of the year, January, I'm happy that this year we're going to see many crypto coins increasing in price, pumping in price. Even though that Tectonic token just have the VVS Finance and Crypto.com. These are the top exchanges that have listed this coin, and just recently bought Candle City. I believe by the time we start getting other top exchanges listing Tectonic token, the market cap might be hitting about $50 to $100 million before the end of the year. And Tectonic token price have also increased. Remember, Tectonic token price as of beginning of this year was actually trading with about 7 zeros, and now the price is now trading with about 6 zeros, and I believe this coin is going to delete more zeros before the end of the year. I'm happy to see more money has been pumping to Tectonic token, getting about $12 million within the period of about 6 or 7 days. It's amazing. This shows that a lot of people have actually been buying this coin. Nobody wants to lose. Everybody wants to buy earlier and make money, because Tectonic token is one of the best coins people have been talking about for 2023. We believe, yes, this is the year we might be seeing this coin hitting a massive increase in price. By the time L-Bank, by the time Get.io, by the time Hotbit, by the time other top crypto exchanges will be listing this coin, Tectonic token will definitely hit a massive increase in price. But remember that Coinbase and Binance have actually added it to their watch list, which means we might be seeing Coinbase or Binance even listing Tectonic token. I'm happy because from all the way from $8 million to $12 million. So wow, it's an amazing for Tectonic token. I'm happy that even the holders of this coin also be happy to see that at least Tectonic token is really increasing. Something positive is happening, and I'm hoping that this will continue. Let's watch and see if the market cap before the end of this month will actually be hitting about $25 to $30 million, because I believe BTC also has been increasing in price recently, all the way from 16,000 Bitcoin is now trading about $18,800. It's amazing to see Bitcoin have actually crossed that mark of $18,000 after many months, because since last year, almost September, BTC has been trading between $16,000 and $15,000. You can see that this year is going to be one of the best years for crypto industry, and let's hope for the best year to come. Let's hope all crypto holders will be smiling. Let's hope that crypto industry in general will be hitting a massive increase in price. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.